Matt here with Sonoran Salvage. Just picking up a 59 Apache short bed. Pretty good. Fairly straight. Not much to deal with rust wise. A couple cab corner issues on the lower cab corners. Old Arizona plates. Old Arizona surface rust starting at the top and working its way down. Have the door to it, have the tailgate to it. Both are on the truck. Also bought this 59 Apache fleet side. It's a 3200 long bed. Very straight truck. It is missing the grill. You guys know they repop those, or you can find an original one. I don't currently have one. I do have the hood to it. Just removed it for transport. I'll get you guys more video of these later on. I just wanted to catch a video of where they were sitting and kind of the ground report. Not much, just a lot of trash, tumbleweeds. All right, you guys have a great one.